In the count of 3, 2, 1! Congratulations, Bill Sandra! Woohoo! Alright, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Pwede ba ako makarinig ng isang malakas na palakpakan? Ate Yaman Chan! Ayan, I love the energy I am feeling tonight. Talagang damang-dama natin yung excitement, lalo na paparating ang 2025 dahil the history is coming! Ayan! It is my great pleasure to welcome you all sa ating event. So welcome to Build Central Technologies in Carnice Partnerships. But we are here to celebrate shared visions and aspiration that this event represents. And of course, I would like to acknowledge the presence of the following. Jan, Miss Cristina De Vera of ASEL, Sir Noel Cruz, our COO, our Director Talibo Noel of DPWH, Mr. Felix Go, Miss Lovely, and of course, everybody, your presence here today, talaga nagsisimbolo yun ng collaboration natin at ngayon pa lang. I would like to congratulate this company dahil ngayon pa lang ang simula ng maraming tagumpay na mararanasan natin. At paparating na ang 2025, sasalubungin natin to ng tagumpay at ngiti sa ating mga labi. So without further ado, ay pakinggan natin ang ating visionary leader who drives dedication to success and innovation ng ating kumpanya and CEO of Build Central Technologies Incorporation, Mr. Voxtra Corbett!
Grabe yung introduction. Na-pressure ako lalang. Ang suot ko
Palakpakan niyo ang sarili niyo dahil kayo ang foundation ng kumpanya. Ngayon pala, congratulations! We are now going to have our ribbon cutting ceremony. So this marks a new exciting journey that we are going. History begins here. Many opportunities for Build Central Technologies Incorporation. In the count of 3, 2, 1! Congratulations, Bill Sandra! Woohoo! Today marks a new beginning. Talaga nga namang history begins here. Maraming salamat po, ayan. And later on, party. At alam kong excited na kayo dahil marami kaming pakulo at pa-games and raffles na prepare para sa inyo.